In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use a debit card at a store. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Making purchases using a debit card is extremely simple, so you can find plenty of places that accept debit cards. It is a straightforward process. So the only key difference compared to a credit card is that for a debit card, the money will be taken directly from your bank account. So the very first thing that you should do is know how much balance you have. It is important to know your balance because you want to avoid declined transactions. So always check your balance before starting. You can do this by checking the bank app, going over to an ATM, and once you know how much you have on your bank account, then you will be able to spend it. So all that you have to do is proceed to checkout. So on any store, at the checkout counter, you either hand your card to the cashier, or if you see a machine available in arm's reach, then you can insert the card yourself. So you insert the card at the bottom if you want to do the standard payment method, or you can swipe it through the side. Once you insert the card, you will be asked to type out your 4-digit PIN, so essentially the password for your card. So if you handed your card to the cashier, they will insert it into the machine and then give you the machine for you to insert the PIN. So you can go ahead, insert the PIN, and once it is done, press the green button to confirm this transaction. If you want, you can also do contactless payments, where you place the card near the card reader at the top, but this will only work if contactless payments were enabled for your particular card. But regardless of how you choose to pay, you can use your debit card to make purchases anywhere that cards are accepted. So I hope I was able to help you on buying stuff with a debit card. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.